Many of you probably know Asian loves tea. We drink green tea, black tea, oolong tea, all sorts of tea. However, there's one drink that almost all Chinese people knows about, but you probably never heard of. Today, let me show you what is this magic tea and how to make it. Let's get started. So the name of this tea is called 菊花茶. 菊花 is chrysanthemum. You can find those in any Asian market or on Amazon. Before I cook it, I usually like to rinse it in the water to wash off some of the leftovers on the flour. It looks pretty clean usually. And then I will just pour these into the pot I'm gonna use to cook the flour. And before I cook it, I actually like to soak it in cold water for about 20 minutes. That way it's easier for the flour to open up later and it just brings out the flavor a little bit easier. It takes about 10 minutes to bring it to a boil, and then after it boils, I will usually just let it simmer for another 20 minutes until you can see those flowers slowly opens up. It looks beautiful and it smells really great. And then you can just turn off the fire when you see those flowers are ready, and you can just scoop it out. The tea, I usually like to take some of the flour into the cup. It just looks pretty, and when it sits longer in the cup, it actually brings more flavor. But I will also like to leave some of the flour in the pot, so when I need to drink another cup, I can just pour some water and reboil. It looks beautiful. And the color of the tea is kind of light yellow, and you can put some sugar if you would prefer a sweeter drink, but I usually just drink it like that. Chrysanthemum tea is also well known for its health benefit. It can improve your vision, also boost your immune system. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. 再见。